In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat DC. Whether you need to update a document by removing outdated pages, or just want to slim down your file size, this process is quite straightforward. Let's dive right into it and see how it's done. First things first, start by launching Adobe Acrobat DC on your computer. It's important to have your PDF file ready on hand for this tutorial. Once the application is open, go ahead and load your PDF file into Acrobat. You can do this by simply clicking File at the top left corner of the window and selecting Open. Navigate to where your file is saved on your computer to open it. Now that you have your PDF open, you'll want to find the Edit option. This is conveniently located at the top left of the Acrobat window. Clicking Edit will bring up a menu of options related to modifying your document in various ways. From here, select Organize Pages. This tool is incredibly useful for managing the layout and sequence of your document's pages. With the Organize Pages view open, you will see thumbnail images of all the pages within your PDF. Take a moment to locate the specific page you wish to remove. This step is crucial, so double check you're selecting the correct page, as this will prevent any accidental deletions. Once you've pinpointed the right page, click on its thumbnail to select it. After highlighting the page you want to delete, turn your attention to the left pane where you'll find a straightforward trash can icon. This icon is your next step. Simply clicking this trash can will prompt Acrobat to prepare the page for deletion. Before the page is permanently removed, Acrobat will present a dialog box asking you to confirm this action. This little safety net ensures that no page is discarded by accident. Go ahead and confirm the deletion in the dialog box. Don't worry if you've changed your mind by this point, as this gives you a chance to backtrack if necessary. Once the unwanted page is gone, the next important step is to save your changes to the document. Click File once again from the top left menu, and then Save or Save As to make sure all your modifications are preserved. If you're saving it as a new file, you might want to give it a distinct name to differentiate it from the original. And that's it, you've successfully deleted a page from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat DC. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage the content of your PDFs. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials on managing your digital documents.